Service Fusion is an all-in-one field service management software that helps appliance repair contractors run their businesses more efficiently by helping to connect office staff, technicians, and clients. Service Fusion started in 2014 and is the trusted management software of over 3,500 service contractors today. In this demo, we will cover creating new estimates and jobs, how to use the scheduling and dispatch grid, review the Field Technician mobile app, learn more about the QuickBooks integration, and cover a couple additional add-ons like GPS fleet tracking and ServiceCall.ai. All right, let's get started. First, let's create a job. We are going to create this job from an estimate. One of the best features of Service Fusion is the ability to convert estimates to jobs, so you and your team do not have to rekey all the details. This can help save time, so you can focus on other tasks. So, here we are in an estimate created for Dennis Stewart for a dishwasher repair. Over here to the right, we are going to click Convert to Job because they have decided to work with us. We'll choose Convert to Job again on the pop-up. Let's start the job today at 3 p.m. and say that it will take about an hour. And we'll leave it unassigned for now so I can show you how simple the dispatch dashboard is to operate. As you can see at the bottom of this estimate, when we created it, we gave this company a good, better, and best option. Let's just choose the better option. Then press Convert. In addition, you can look back and see how many of your estimates convert to jobs. Now this estimate has been converted to a job. What if you need to create a job from scratch, but you don't need to provide an estimate? Easy. Then you would just start a new job from scratch by pressing the green plus symbol in the upper right corner and then select New Job. Okay, now that this estimate is a job, let's look at a couple other features. Here in the Notes section, we can enter things like Customer Requested Technician Park and Back. We also have a new feature, Sticky Notes. Let's create a sticky note now. Customer is unavailable after 3 p.m. Once we create a new sticky note, it will be pinned to the top of the customer's account, so it will be seen anytime we work with this customer in the future. Now, before we head over to the dispatch screen, I want to show you how to set a reminder. We can just scroll down to the reminder section on the right, select Add New at the top of the section, and add a reminder to email this customer the evening before their service is going to take place. Here we are on the scheduling and dispatch screen. If we look towards the bottom, you can see here the job we just created. You can see that right now this job is red because it is unassigned. Here you can see that jobs are completed in green. Jobs in progress are blue, and jobs that are scheduled and assigned to an employee are yellow. However, these colors are fully customizable, so you can change it to whatever makes sense to you. Let's go back to this unassigned job. So all we need to do is click on the job and drag it up into the schedule screen into the row of the technician we want to assign it to. And there we go. Now this job has been assigned to Joe at 3 p.m. Now let's say that Joe calls in sick and can't do this job today. What was once a potential panic is now easy. Simply click the job again and either drag it back down to unscheduled jobs for now or assign it to another technician. But for now, let's keep this job with Joe. Also, as a side note, you can create a job from this screen as well. If you look in the upper right-hand corner, you will see a green plus button. Select that and click on Create Your Job. You can also right-click on an open slot in one of your technician schedule, click Job, and create a job that way as well. We like to say there's 3 ways to do anything in Service Fusion. Now let's jump into Joe's Field Worker app so we can see what he sees. Okay, now we're in Joe's Field Worker app. This app is available on Android and iOS Apple devices. So we'll go into his My Work section. This is where Joe can see all of the jobs he has on his schedule now, as well as all of his previous jobs. Under the Current tab, we can see the dishwasher repair assigned to Joe. Let's click into that job. Now we're inside this specific job. Here's where Joe can accept the assignment, start the job, or assign a host of other statuses to a job. So we'll go ahead and mark this job as started. Let's cover these 4 buttons near the bottom of this screen. First, the Info button. This is where Joe can see things like service agreements, customer contacts, historical notes, and job history. The Maps section is where Joe can see the location of the job and use Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze GPS to get there. The Photo section is where Joe can keep photos from the job. And Sign section is where Joe can get a signature from the customer. As we scroll down, we see the work order details. Any custom fields you created, tasks, notes, documents, equipment, and invoicing. Let's work through these quickly. Tasks are checklists that you or Joe can assign to a job. Notes can be added anytime after a job has been created. Documents is where Joe or other roles in your organization could put receipts or other documentation related to this job. Equipment and invoicing are the two most important buttons down here. With Service Fusion, you can upload equipment and service offerings to your equipment catalog. When you sign up for Service Fusion, our support team will help you get this set up. We're always available if you need help getting something updated. Invoicing can be customized to fit your business. For instance, if you don't want your customers to see drive charges and just want drive charges to be added into the labor charge, you can do that here. Another example would be if you don't want Joe to be able to adjust the amount charged for a piece of equipment, you can do that. Our support team can also help make sure your invoicing is set up exactly how you need it to be. One of the most exciting features of Service Fusion for appliance repair contractors is our integration with QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. As a QuickBooks solution provider, not only do you get VIP pricing on QuickBooks and other Intuit products and services, but with our integration, we automatically synchronize job deposits, invoices, and payments without you having to press a single extra button. This helps you avoid double entry and at no added cost to you. The most popular add-on feature to Service Fusion is GPS fleet tracking. With the GPS fleet tracking, you can save your business time and money by gaining visibility into your mobile workforce and improve driving behavior, reduce fuel costs, and prevent unauthorized use. ServiceCall.ai was specifically built for service contractors and combines the power of VoIP, artificial intelligence, and field service experience. This software can recognize phone numbers as they are calling in and pull up a customer's file and history before you even answer their call. You can also measure the ROI of your marketing dollars and utilize our Ring a Tech feature that routes a call directly to the technician if the caller wants to talk to them. These are just some of the features of ServiceCall.ai. Click below to get a full demo from one of our expert sales consultants and see how Service Fusion can help you gain visibility into your business, increase revenue, and earn repeat customers.